parties. Hi, I'm Debbie. Vanessa walks away. Only one king. And rave reviews from party people despite the traffic pileups. Sponsor Red Stripe over the moon as best weekend ever again delivers on expectations.
When it comes down to the food, the aura, the people, the vibe, the DJs, the venues, the decor, it's top.
That party scene nice. I'm in love with the DJ them juggle. I'm in love with the people them come out to them vibes and the energy with the people them a pull.
About to have fun, and here's the pick to prove it. Best weekend ever again bringing its multi-party rollout to Ocho Rios. I Love Soca, the Cooler Fete Extraordinaire, the opening salvo. Have a peek. These guys not playing around. Booze for days and minimal coverage in the blueprint for a blast. That's the spirit. Looking good and happy to show it. The Caribbean party scene with its own soundtrack and energy, now a packaged product, pulling thousands, making a mint, and with lots of spice. Dancehall, the driving dynamic in Jamaica, but Soca Sessions, the blueprint for a strife and stress-free good time.
I love soca. I mean, I'm a lover for music, so I love all genre. But soca is actually a genre that I enjoy, I love. Number two, I'm a Caribbean woman, you know. So I love everything from the Caribbean. So I love soca as a party woman. I have to bring my besties. I'm actually here with my entire Spice Bestie Weekend, and we're here at Best Weekend because they wanted to come to I Love Soca. We want to enjoy ourselves. We look good and we feel good. We're outside. Yeah, we're happy. We're excited.
No containing their excitement at meeting the Queen, or theirs letting go to Fayan Lyons from Trinidad on stage. Happens like this every time. Soca fans carried away. The good times rolling on all night.
We don't discriminate. We don't look at race, class, creed, whatever you're into. And I think that might kind of put some people off. But I think they don't understand the world is an inclusive place. When you go to a business place, you are not caring about the owner in an in-depth personal way before you do business. So for us, it's about putting a music on the table that everybody can enjoy. If you're sick, you can enjoy it. If you're happy, you're depressed. If you're sad, if your man leave you, your girl leave you, you get married, hip hip hooray, get divorced, we partying for that too. It doesn't matter. We want people to feel good.
Your best weekend is the best ever. Money worth it, bro. Trust me.
I'm a soca girl. She's a dancehall girl, but I love soca. It just meshes perfectly. It works perfectly for both the locals as well as the people that love soca. I think it vibes to both persons.
You know, we're not the soca still, but we just there show some pretty girl there.
Dancehall first, but soca have a vibe.
You know, every time you come to I Love Soca, it's always a good time. Because I'm a Trini in Jamaica, the thing I love about I Love Soca the most is that it has both the soca and the dancehall.
Elections coming up. Are you feeling the spirit to vote?
What? One and jewelless man. One here, you know, see Jamaica look. One and jewelless man, the whole of Jamaica build up, man. But some people get misled, but them are go sorry after, man.
Election is coming up. Are you feeling the spirit to vote?
Election? We're there for party. A party, we're there for party. We're here to party. We're not talking about election.
Of course we gotta vote, guys. Take it seriously. We gotta vote. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, so that's why we're there, man. A Dominican Republic we live in, my brother. You understand? Man, I'm all government man, so we come in for the thing. As soon as I said, time we are dealing with, that's it, time we are dealing with, time come.
What would you like to change about Jamaica?
Well, a few things we want to rearrange, you know, we want to rearrange the security and things, you understand? Because the only thing that can stop crime is punishment. And the punishment is lacking.
Justice, truth be.
Well, just had the best weekend ever. So in a 1 year, this is the best weekend ever. The best weekend ever.
I'm gonna find the energy. You know, so last year, the day I do, and the vibes are mad. So me have to forward out this year again, you know? Crazy vibe, mad thing.
Yo, a breakfast me come for. You know what I mean? So I'm up on last leg right now. I eat some food, all our vibes, and then my power nap are ready for later. So we just a push through.
Squeeze into this tiny shirt, my big bag has no room. Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag.
We're in Jamaica. Where are you?
So it's daybreak. How you find the energy?
It was good with no memorabilia, which was bad.
I don't even know because I'm tired. I'm surviving off 2 hours of sleep and it's just here. It's daybreak. You know, I'm going to find the energy.
Oh, all the energy in the world. The sun gives me all the energy I needed to be here today. Yeah, how we found the energy, we're not sure yet, but we're glad we came.
Well, we're celebrating my bachelorette, so that is the energy that we needed to get out here today.
All party and no work until next week. My director don't fire me, understand it.
Party probably should have been done by now, but they might keep it going, so I'm here. We just gonna keep the party going. You know what I mean? You gotta find the energy no matter what. You know what I mean? That's why they call it vacation. Duh. You gotta enjoy your Jet 2 holiday.
Sleep, wake up, do it again.
Good vibe, good food, good energy. Promoters are on point with decor. The party's just late. I'm coming all the way from New York City and I'm not disappointed.
Are you going to all the parties or are you going to take a break now?
No, I'm going to all of them.
All of them?
Here for the vibe. We have our Caesar bands and we're attending all of the events.
Yeah, there's Rest in the Grave, so we're outside.
This was worth it. It's good vibes. It's cultural. Listen, if you're not here, I don't know what to tell you.
Milk and honey flowing with fashion. Let's just say folks made an effort. No color too bright. Brands, bling, and heaps of attitude. Everyone stepping out to make a statement. BWE sponsor Red Stripe included.
Red Stripe are the official distributors of Diageo products in Jamaica. So that represents Don Julio, Johnny Walker, Smirnoff. We're talking about Casamigos as well. So all the premium products in the tequila lines, and of course our top whiskey and the leading vodka in Jamaica. And I think so far we've delivered on what we really meant to do with premium. So Milk and Honey really taps into the best weekend ever and what that stands for.
Tell us about your outfit.
I just put it on. I put it on. It's from last year. I have this outfit.
Fashion Nova, meet Sheen. All in one, cheap is clean.
Milk and Honey is all about fashion. So my shirt, we got Jean-Paul Gaultier, Italian designer. Pants of Alabas, and Karl Lagerfeld on my foot with the Micah Miri bag. We have mixed the design of them. Milk and Fashion say paint the city pink. I will come out in our pink and white.
Well, my dress is from Ria Mani. It's a local brand here in Jamaica. And my bag is Boccinelli, which is a Nigerian black-owned business. So I'm all black-owned. Yeah.
So did you dress up for someone special or just to please yourself?
Milk and Honey is all about fashion, so you have to dress to impress.
I think the theme was pink or white.
and it came into a lot of effects based on what we wanted to accomplish to cover that. It was actually purchased on Fashion Nova, so you know we wanted to set the tone, be the standard, and to be different, you know.
Now, after all the partying is done, it's time for the national elections. You know who you have voted for yet?
Well, not necessarily. I think based on what we've seen so far, there's been a lot of progress with the JLP government. And I know PNP is trying their thing, still haven't made a choice though.
I mean, I personally don't see the need to vote right now. I know that we have to exercise our will to vote, but right now, I don't see the need to vote for somebody right now, personally.
You know who you're voting for yet?
Of course. Third term loading.
Anjo, Babsy, and Maria, my friend them. Labour Ride, Shower for Life. Big up all of my friends them along at Tivoli Garden. Angela Striker, big up yourself. Shower Labour Ride, Sanjo.
Step Beach inside the best weekend ever experience. It's always a well-curated day. Because you know you dedicate this day to just the beach. The sun is a little bit, and that is good. Excellent! You need to be here! The sun is enough, the sea is enough, the bar, the ladies who are taking care of us. Excellently curated experience. The food always top-notch. It's a must-do for me every summer. But what really makes the weekend the best weekend ever is the company. Because them can do everything and you come with the wrong crew and you don't have a good time. So I'm always here with friends and it's an excellent experience on the beach, especially after you come from January to July. You want break, no one rest. This is where we do it. It's always the best weekend ever.
I'm enjoying myself. I'm here with my sister right now. And I'm just saying, it is worth the money, guys. Like, year to year, like, I love it.
Did you hear your favorite song from the DJ?
He not play my song yet, but right now I'm going 450.
Did you hear your favorite song from the DJ?
Watch out now. It's kind of early, you know, you see me? But my favorite song just dropped one day, you see me? Vibes Cartel, I know.
If you're slippery when you're wet, me bring rope.
What's your favorite song?
Valley and Passenger Princess.
Far with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl I love you rough.
Oh, they're playing Soca right now, so.
Did you hear your favorite song from the DJ?
Play it right now.
Love to me, anything to me say.
Has the DJ played your favorite song yet?
Valiant.
Which Valiant?
Passenger Princess.
Who are your Valiant Passenger Princess?
Right now, I'm hot. I'm literally hot and the place festive. But you don't know, entertainment report. We're here to entertain and report.
So I have to ask you as a selector, what is the song for the summer?
You have Whites, them still are going good. Some of the girls' song, them are going good. Rich Sex. Elephant Man have a new song. Pretty, pretty baby.
Yeah, me pretty, pretty baby.
Well, enjoy from yesterday over the beach. Rise and toast now. It's a great vibe. All is a great vibe and we love it to see it.
Greatest hits dancehall medleys at Rise and Toast. Idonia the top bill. Other DJs called up. Beanie Man almost drowned out by fans.
Vibe night. Because one thing I believe in that means people. You see, I go out there and say, and then you come here for. See, somebody just come for show, get I doing our strength. See, because we are linked from weak. So, you know, sorry, watch your week. We are linked from the strong. Last night on the beach, a murder. So, we are left to go to the next one now. And see which one is the best one so far. Because party not done it. Whoa. Move your face.
All right, there's a conversation going on about King of the Dancehall. What's your take on it?
One king. Left there.
Beanie Man a legend. We look up to Beanie from where I grew up. You know, image,
stage performance and all of that. So if share the stage just with him, it's a great vibe. Always a great vibe if stay the stage with the legend them. And tonight there's a vibe. Beanie Man, Iwater, Delo, Ninja Kid.
On social media, we saw that you were singing over Elephant Man song.
You see the original song? It just load up back on social media and streaming platforms and it's a trend. So I say, yo, that song about you know. Then Ellie remixed the song. The Ellie remix, crazy. It's a song where I basically I listen to for the past few days like non-stop. It's a song my wife and her friends I listen to non-stop. So like from there, sing it, sing it. We just there have some food. We just hold our vibe and I sing a song we love. Big up the Elephant Man cause the song bad.
And if you could take dancehall in a new direction, what would that look or sound like?
Dancehall or dancehall. Once you keep the sound dancehall, that's the direction. Once you keep the sound dancehall, that's the direction. Because if you check where I'm going right now, the dancehall sound is back. If you check, Shake It to the Max, you know, Skilly Bang, Shensia, just the dancehall sound. So the youth them for just take the dancehall sound serious because that's what the people them love, the dancehall sound.
The massive at best weekend ever, not to mention others who couldn't give a hoot about the parties, not loving the seemingly inevitable traffic jam for events like Zimise Beach. While the party parameters have grown to almost bursting at the seams in tourist towns like Ocho Rios and Negril, the infrastructure around staging them has lagged behind.
Parking is crazy. If they could figure out the parking, then we're good.
That said, party people at Best Weekend Ever already dreaming of the next staging.
Why? I fly from New Jersey, first time coming for Best Weekend, and I will come again. It was worth it.
I think my best party was Milk and Honey.
First time in Best Weekend, I come all the way from Trinidad. So, at that time, Didi was the highlight of the show.
Best weekend ever. It just brings a culture, brings a vibe, it brings a people. It's just everything. It's like the most mature, beautiful crowd. I just love it. It's perfect. It's perfection. Did you see the performance? Did you see Beanie Man? Did you see Idonia? Hi.
Yeah, I'm in Jamaica. It's a lifestyle moment.
I just dropped my new single, Rich Mean Man, on the storybook Russian Rhythm. So a lot of new stuff on my album dropping very soon. So stay tuned.
Can we hear anything else with you and Cartel?
Huh?
Can we hear anything else with you and Cartel?
I have energy for an 8th, a 9th, a 10th. As long as it's Best Weekend, I'm outside. Out of this world, it's good.
Oh, that's a fact.
It was a great time.